Good morning. Today is day 4, I think. We're about to check out of our hotel. This has been the most beautiful resort. It's my favorite Disney resort, and we've stayed at pretty much all the ones at Disney World. Disneyland too. We even stayed at club level, main building Floridian, and still this is like amazing. This is literally my favorite resort now. We're gonna get an Uber, and because we have like huge luggages, so we're gonna try to get that right now, and then get like a van one to hopefully be able to transfer all of our stuff to Tokyo Hilton, or Hilton Tokyo in Shinjuku. So today we're gonna spend the day in Harajuku and Shibuya. We don't know what we're doing, so pretty much we're just gonna try to figure everything out as we go. I just shipped a giant box of souvenirs. Oh look, everyone's running to the park. That's so funny. They're literally running. Okay, anyways, I shipped a giant box of souvenirs. Right now they have like a little shipping area downstairs, and they have big boxes for you to ship everything home. I hope it ships, because whenever I like put everything in 2 boxes, and he only charged me for 1, and then was like, no, just 1 box, 1 box. So hopefully I get both of my boxes. We'll see. Alright, so we're gonna get everything situated, make sure we didn't leave anything in the room, and then we're gonna head out. What do you think about Disney, Braylee? Did you like it?
Yeah.
What's your favorite? What's your favorite Disney that you've been to now? Really? You like it more than Disney World?
I like both.
You like both. Did you like this hotel? Yeah.
I like the ceiling.
Yeah, the ceiling is pretty cool. All right. Well, let's go explore, right?
Yeah. And
goodbye. Beautiful room. Okay, so we just checked in to the Hilton. I'll probably go to the lobby and video a little bit of it, but we're on the 11th floor. I'd randomly like signed up for Hilton Honors, so I guess they said that since we did that, we get free Wi-Fi, and then Braylee got like a little amenity kit. It's a really nice hotel though. It's really pretty. We're about to go in. All right. Okay, so you walk in. There's like a little area, I guess, for your luggages, and there's like a lot of cabinet space. This is so zoomed in. A lot of cabinet space. Bathroom area. Right there. It actually has a closed shower, so that will be good for us. There is a big mirror, a mini bar, water, 2 beds, and then move real quick, Drew. And then like a little desk, chair, phone, and then I don't know how you open this. Okay. And there's a view of the city. Pretty cool. walked like 30 minutes to get here. It looks so pretty though. So now I think we kind of figured out this whole train thing in a way. We're gonna go, we went to Harajuku. It's kind of crazy. Then we went to Shibuya, went to a shrine. Now we're at the station and we're gonna go to Ginza. We're gonna see if there's like street food or anything. So we're about to go. We just walked out of the Ginza station and it's so pretty here. I think I like it way better than Shibuya and Harajuku already. And eat 7-Eleven. Okay, we found a little market. We got a little lost. We're a mess. Day 1 fail. So we're gonna find a few little snacks and then head back to the room.
The whole market's closed.
Actually, everything's closed. Okay, this is useless. But there's some. So our day was a fail. Ended up going. Let's see. Well, first off, we ate lunch at Wendy's. Well, Jared went to a ramen place. Oh, cool. Jared went to a ramen place, but it felt like it wasn't like family friendly.
There's 3 seats.
Yeah.
Eat the sandwich and then I want to just eat the dinner, you know, right?
So then after that, we ended up on tons of the wrong. You can see my feet. Tons of the wrong lines and stuff. I don't even know what we did. We just got lost. So anyways, this is how we're ending our night. It's like 6 o'clock and we were starving. So I've been dying to go to 7-Eleven. So I got this. I don't know what it is, but it's really good. Braylee wanted spaghetti. I got an egg sandwich. We got some like little cheesecake thing that's really good. A pork bun. Everything's already half eaten because we just came in here and devoured it. This was this was like rice and pork and egg, a pizza bun and a corn dog. And that is how we're ending our night. We are so tired.
I'm starvation there.
And starving. We were so starving. Oh, and I got my water. There's so little, but I've been like dying of thirst here. I feel like there's not water everywhere. Like there's tea, but not water. So that's it for tonight. Tomorrow we will be going to the Pokemon Center and we have a reservation at the Pokemon Cafe. So that's exciting. And then after that, I don't know what we're gonna do. We need to plan it though because today was a giant mess. So good night.